One of the many joys of living in Northern New England is another chore, keeping the snow off the roof. We just got probably 14 inches or so, I'm not exactly sure, somewhere around there, on top of the snow we already had. And then this week, it's supposed to be a chance of, I guess some wet precipitation. I guess some rain on, I think Thursday or Friday. Possible rain. Rain mix, rain-snow mix, snow, whatever it's gonna be, who knows. But just in case it weighs down the snow that's already on the roof and adds some weight to it with that rain, scrape it off the roof so it doesn't weigh it down and potentially collapse. So, here we go. I don't know if you can see in the camera. There's probably about 18 inches of snow on the roof. I would say at least. Working out the shoulders today. When it gets really bad, I'll climb right up to shovel the whole roof. And the snow, it'll go halfway up these shutters or so. Halfway up these windows. We shut those shutters so it don't break the windows. So those shutters actually serve a purpose, not just for decoration. But definitely a lot of weight in that roof. Well, probably took at least a few 100 pounds, maybe a few 1,000 pounds off the roof. Definitely 1.5 foot of snow on the roof, all the way around, never mind if it rained on it. So, another chore done. Snow is deep. well past my knees. Oh yeah, fresh. That's good to see. Definitely coyotes or something going after that. That's our bait pile. Check the camera, see what we get. Maybe we can sit in the hut later on this afternoon, we'll see. Depends on what we get on the camera. If it even worked.
Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks everybody for watching. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned for new videos, and we'll see you soon. Take care now.